CRB time. Quick little background on this job. All these bright spots you're seeing. This landlord's tenant was using bleach to try and get pet spots out, urine, and maybe some vomit. Naturally discolored the carpet. Don't ever use bleach on the carpet unless you are planning on having somebody dye the carpet shortly after. So there's going to be a bunch of spots here that are full-on discolorations. Nothing I can do about that with the cleaning. But I am treating it like a pet job, doing a deodorizer and a hydrogen peroxide based cleaner, which is meant for organic type stains such as blood and stuff like that. Hopefully you don't have to deal with that, but it does help. This is specifically meant for pet urine. The cleaner I'm using is called Unchained from Truck Mount Forums. I put, I put about 12 ounces in my Hydroforce, and then I am running their pre-spray BioPro 10K also to help with this. It's got a citrus booster. And then there are some areas that were pretty bad. So it's probably just a smidge overkill to add this, but I also did a scoop of Truck Mount Forums' product Pure O2, which is a powder-based hydrogen peroxide with citrus. Just because there was pets in the house, I want to be sure on this one, because it was a rental. So the background on the carpet, I couldn't get a whole lot of information off of it. The only reason why I got some of an idea is because the landlord is next door. So they had some idea of what's going on. So with that being said, that's what I'm up against today. product also helps with rust spots. You may have seen that little guy right there. It was a little bit darker, but now that I've scrubbed over it, it's actually lightened up quite a bit. So when I rinse it, it should pop right out. And if not, a little post-treatment to help work it out the rest of the way. Some moisture got to some metal legs, some kind of furniture in here, and caused that to happen. Move my cord. Most likely the pet lifted their leg on their wood furniture or that had metal base to it. Caused that to happen. Oops, this one is the one that doesn't work. It's usually the case unless somebody spilt water or something off of the side of their end table next to the bed. But more times than not, especially in areas that are kind of in a corner, it tends to be a small male dog or some male dog that tends to be the culprit to that one. In my area, probably about 80 to 85% pet urine jobs tend to fall into the 25-pound dog and less category. Just from my experience, it's not always the case. The other cases are the pet is older and unfortunately can't help itself, which is sad. Or a big dog. Sometimes there's accidents with them too. But with those ones, depending on the training, tends to be of age issues too. Which is very unfortunate. It's sad, but it's what we do to take care of them. Our fur babies. Be a vacuum video of this job as well. I'm using my sharp screw back, and you'll see what I pulled out of this carpet prior to this one using the CRB. So be sure to check for that video. I'm going to try and upload that one first so they're kind of in order. If not, it'll be right next to it most likely. Be sure to look for that one so you can see what came out of this carpet initially before running the CRB over it. I'm doing half of the house and then the other half afterwards. And the reason why is there's actually about just shy of 900 square feet, and I did pre-spray it pretty good because of the spots, but you don't want to pre-spray an entire house, you know, if the max square footage is over 450, 500, and that's because you don't want your pre-spray to completely dry out before you get to it. So if you pre-spray a bunch of area and get to that section and it's not damp anymore, you need to re-wet it, re-pre-spray. And That way you're not trying to rinse out dry pre-spray, because that's a problem. Pre-spray is suspending the soil into a liquid form, and you want it to stay that way until you get to it. So you want to be sure that you rinse it all out. You can see liquid came out. This is why the CRB is amazing. Even though I vacuumed it, still getting stuff out. It's crazy. There were pest spots in here, so that makes sense why some stuff was still popping. That happen. Some people may not think that, but I think it's awesome, because the company I used to work at did not have CRBs. I know that is ridiculous to hear, but you know, they didn't have all that stuff, so they didn't teach it. So I researched it eventually and found all these tools, and like, man, first time I used them, I was amazed and felt bad that I didn't have access to these for my clients that were my repeats while I was working for somebody else. And now I get to provide that quality for everybody, and that's the best part. Alright guys, thank you for watching. That's the first half of this house, and then I got this room over here, a bedroom at the far end, and then the other half of this living room / dining room kind of combo. Thank you for watching. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. Be sure to let me know what you think. Always like to hear everybody's opinions. So I'm gonna get to rinsing this carpet out and freshening it up for them. Have a great day.